Welcome to the channel. In today's video we'll show you how to turn off Windows Defender Firewall in Windows 11. To do this you will need to complete two steps. First, open your start menu, search for Windows Security and click on it. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down to virus and threat protection settings and click on manage settings. Turn off the real-time protection option. Once that's disabled, open the start menu again. Search for Windows Defender and click on Windows Defender Firewall. Select turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off from the left menu. Choose the option to turn off Windows Defender Firewall. You will also need to turn it off under public network settings. Make sure both firewall options are switched off. Once done, click the OK button at the bottom of the page. And that's how you can turn off or disable Windows Defender Firewall in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.